walk home today, so we're gonna be making some people squishies. My friend Lily said she wants me to make one, so yeah, let's get on my texting app. I think she's gonna text me, so yeah. So here's Lily, so yeah. Oh, she texts me. So she said yeah. She said, can you make me a squishy? I said yeah. She said yeah. So let's go to my squishies. Squishy magic. First we have to give some people on this game squishies before I can get a new squishies. Okay. Please say this is a new squishy. No, it's a wallpaper. So yeah. Zebra rainbow, please. Oh, this is gonna be cute. So white. White. I'm just trying to make them mad. Okay, so. Oh, that's supposed to be good. And then that's black. Okay, so here we go. Now. That's a nice squishy. She better give me some more squishies that I can paint so I can send it to Lily. So cute. 3 stars. Okay, so the next person better give me a squishy. Okay, so let's do this. I want a squishy, please. Okay, this is what she wants. Okay, so it's gotta be blue. Blue. So, boom. I'm done. Wait, what color is it? Is it blue? Oh, that's good. That's a good squish. Good squish. I like that squishy. Okay, please give me more mochi. Please. I need to make Lily one. Okay, claim. Yes, I got a new squishy, or a mochi chicken. Okay, I can't help you right now. I have to make my friend one. Okay, so now, yeah. So let's do this. Okay, new squishy. Okay, mochi chicken. Oh, that's supposed to be red. This can't be plain. This one should be good. Okay, so I have to give it a little shimmer, glossy. Okay, so white. Let's go to my yellows. Okay, glossy mustard, boom. And then I need to go to my glossy reds. Wait, no. Yeah, glossy red. No. Yeah, glossy red. And I have to go to glossy mustards. Okay. So let's see how the smoochie looks when it's done. Okay, so a background. She'll like the sprinkle background. Cute chicken. Mochi. Okay, now let's mochi it. Okay, so now, oh, this mochi's good. Okay, let's put it in a gift box. Gift box gonna be purple because that's her favorite color. And now the ribbons are gonna be orange and purple are her favorite colors. So, okay guys, I sent it to the Victoria up here. Okay, now if you press on it, it turns into, okay, I'm going to open it with my Samsung internet, always. Okay. Okay, squish your page line. Okay, so if you press it, it does that. Then open, and you can get your mochi. That is so cute. Oh, I love that. I think she's gonna be so happy with me. Let's see. She said, "Thank you so much. You're welcome. I think you like it." She said, "OMG, it's a chick." I